In this video, we're going to write an expression that represents a diagram. So if we have a problem like this that says write an equation that shows the purple line is equal in length to the blue line. So here's the purple line and here's the blue line. We know they're equal, they're exact same size, so we need to find an equation that represents that. So step one is to write down what we know. We know that the length of the purple line equals the length of the blue line. Look, we just wrote an equation. Now we just need to figure out how to represent that into variables and numbers. That's all we have to do. So step two, rewrite the words above with numbers and variable expressions. So we know the length of the purple line is G plus 8. This is G and this is 8. These are the segments of the purple line. The sum of the segments is its length, right? G plus 8 is the length of the purple line. The length of the blue line is 10. It says so right here. That's the length of the blue line. So now, if we just combine those two things, so G plus 8 is the length of the purple line equals the length of the blue line, which is 10. G plus 8 equals 10. This is the equation that shows the purple line is equal to the blue line. And that's it. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. You're probably just one explanation away from understanding it. If you need extra help, take a look at the description below. I have links to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook. You could follow along in the ebook this exact lesson as you watch the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.